Some devices such as the Burner Pro or Danfoss FC202 VFD can have their parameters stored on NXTSD5. They can also be restored. This is useful in situations where a boiler or VFD is at factory defaults. And a quick download of settings from NXTSD5 will save time and effort programming settings by hand. To use backup and restore, ensure you have the required access rights and a device that supports it. In this example, we're using a Burner Pro. Open the Backup and Restore dialog via the Miscellaneous menu. Some devices have different memory areas that can be backed up. Burner Pro only has one, titled Settings. Click the Upload button to read all parameters from the device into NXTSD5. You'll be advised when complete, or if a read failure occurred. It's possible to review all the uploaded parameter values. Use the Save button to store the parameters on the NXTSD5's disk. Use the page icon in the top right corner to switch to the download screen. When an upload or save has been performed, the download parameters are set automatically to the most recent data. However, it's possible to select any previous backups via the Open Configuration button. Clicking the check column header can be used to select or deselect all items that will be downloaded. It's possible to individually select items too, in case you desire a partial download. To restore data to the device, click the Download button. The result column indicates each row's status. Green is success, gray is skipped, and red is failure to download. Download occurred without any problems. Now, let's download all parameters. The download progress is updated as parameters are set. It's possible to scroll the screen and track downloads as they occur. Parameters might be skipped because of other settings, or download in a different order. Don't worry about this. Close the dialog when you've finished using the Backup and Restore feature.